Hey all, new day, back on the car. So, I really gotta stop touching things, because every time I do, I find something else I gotta fix. Anyway, so with the new air conditioning system, I knew that I needed to take off the dual mahickey, the thing in the kick panel that allows outside air in. So I thought, that's an easy job, we'll start with that today. So anyway, I took it out, and this is what it looks like. So, looks okay from the outside. If you look on the back side, there's a lot of rusty metal that came out with it. So, okay, let's look what it looks like in the car. And it looks like trash. This is all ripped out and rusty. This is all ripped out and rusty, and there's a fitted piece that goes in there. So, kind of screwed. Not really. I'm just gonna have to make a piece of metal that fits in there and takes up that place and gives me a place to actually, secure that piece in when I get it. The cutout opening has to be the correct dimensions and size and everything, so I gotta figure that out. So, all right, it's going great. One more thing to fix. Okay, so this is where we got some rust that I showed you already. So, the way we're gonna make a piece to go in here is what they call CAD, also known as Cardboard Aided Design. All right, so that's the piece of cardboard we cut out, and then these sides are gonna wrap over the edges. So you'll get the idea. So what I'm gonna do is, I cut this out of cardboard, it looks good. Now we're gonna go make this piece out of some sheet metal and then paint it and pop rivet it in. So let's go do that. Okay. So, we just gotta change this into metal. Absolute magic. Yeah, right. That was like 2 hours of work. I was using this shear, I was using regular tin snips, I used this old school jigsaw, used the drill press to put some holes in it. But it came out pretty well. Now I just got to paint it, and then once it's all dry, probably tomorrow, we'll pop rivet it to the car. Alright, so now let's get this piece in there. Something like that. Okay, technical difficulties, but I think we're good now. Harbor Freight tools. They always take a little bit of finesse to make work. Okay, that was pretty cool. A hell of a lot easier than doing it by hand. Okay, now I just gotta take this piece here and persuade it this way. Perfect. Nice. Alright, that worked. Like I knew what I was doing. Oh, look at that. Broke this. Fixed it. Okay, it's in. Take a look. Alright, not bad, not bad. So, we're gonna put some seam seal around it, and then once we, when we paint the inside of the firewall and underside of the dash here, I'll get a coat of paint on that as well. But that should be the correct size for whatever needs to go in there from the aftermarket air conditioning system. Cool.